is a green card application, or for that matter, and we can sort of, as we start to think about citizenship, are they expensive processes or long processes? How long does it take from sort of start to finish to get to green card or get to citizenship? I mean, the actual application process itself. And is it a really expensive process, or is it quite open to everyone?
I mean, I don't think it's open to everyone. I think immigration's expensive in general, especially in the U.S. It's more expensive in the U.K., I'll say that, having been through it. But I do think in the U.S., it is an expensive process. I mean, just to file a petition, you're talking over $500 just for the first step, just to say, I qualify for this. And that's, it's in 2 steps. You apply for a green card in 2 steps. Step 1, I qualify for this, whether it be via employment or via family. I meet the qualifications. Step 2 is where they start kind of vetting you as a person. So do you have any criminal issues? Do you have any medical conditions that would make you kind of a burden on the system, if you will? A lot of it is communicable diseases. I mean, we're talking like Ebola or tuberculosis or kind of things like that. So for most people, it's not an issue. Do you have any drug problems, alcohol problems? That comes up. You have to do a medical exam to apply for the green card. And you have to submit police certificates, police records of everywhere you've lived after age 16, if you've lived there for more than a year. So it's really onerous, and yeah, it's expensive. The second part, you're still paying fees to the U.S. government. It's kind of like a bunch of little hundreds of dollars, like 500 here, 300 there, 200 here. And yeah, it adds up to thousands in the end, and that's without help. If you obviously want the help of an attorney, that's way more. And it's a difficult process. It's not something that I think people can just walk into. It's very lengthy. I mean, to bring your spouse to the U.S. right now, over the regular process, it's taking about 2 years. 2 years just to bring your spouse. There's a few exceptions. You can sometimes petition the embassy and say you've got exceptional circumstances. For example, you've got a really difficult surgery and you need your spouse there, and the surgery is imminent, you need them there right now. Or you have an urgent job offer. Your company's decided to transfer you super, super urgently. They didn't give you notice. You need to be there, I don't know, in March, and it's right now, February. So sometimes the embassy will say, fine, we'll take your application directly or take your petition directly. And if that happens, then maybe the process is curtailed to more like 6 months. But it's still 6 months.
Still 6 months.
It's still a while, but 2 years versus 6 months.
Plan in advance. Start thinking about it early is what you're saying.
Yeah, same with any other visa. I would say if you think you might need to go to the U.S., come to me a year in advance, 6 months in advance. If you need to be there in 3 months, we're late. I don't think it's, doable.